Guys, decided to name the bike Lakshmi. Oh, poor donkey. I want to try this one. Hopefully it will all work out. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Ram Ram. Pakistan attack. Yes, they cut the power. Alright, hello world and Namaste Dosto. Welcome to another motorcycle trip on our way to Leh Ladakh. Today I'm just leaving Vadodara. Yesterday I wasn't able to make it all the way to Ahmadabad because the sun was setting, so I had to stop. And I found this little hostel, little dormitory where I stayed. It's literally a bunch of beds, maybe 15 beds in one room. It's around 8:30 and I'm heading to Ahmedabad. I've just been told not to take the expressway because you're not allowed to take motorcycles on the expressway, so that's good. I don't want to get into trouble, or even I don't want to get stopped and questioned about the legalities of my bike because yeah, I dread when that day comes. I'm sure it will come. And yeah, we're gonna head to Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is a World Heritage Site, World Heritage City, so there'll be surely lots to explore in terms of architecture. You might not know, but I used to be an architect, so whenever I go to a new place, I like to discover the local architecture. And yeah, the bike runs really well. I need to put some petrol in it. I've used about half a tank yesterday. Yeah, I rode so much that in the heat, that the back of my palm here is really red. So first port of call, as much as I am resisting buying more things, trying to do this in a very minimalist way. I think I'm gonna need some gloves. I think I'm gonna need some gloves because the sun's only gonna get stronger. If I'm gonna be riding on the weekends during the day, I'm gonna be, you know, ruining my hands. So first port of call is to get some gloves in Ahmedabad. I just love riding in the morning. It's nice and cool as the air hits you. There's very little traffic. You can have a breather. You can think about what you're doing, how you're gonna plan your day, and so on. So, yeah. That being said, people still are doing. This is still India. Let's see. નમસ્કાર.
ફૂલ કરવાનું છે.
ફૂલ
નીચે ઉતરવું પડશે.
હા,
નીચે ઉતરना पड़ेगा.
હા,
નીચે.
अरे ऊपर जाओ ना.
नीचे उतर जाओ.
ये पीछे बांधेलू છે કઈથી ઉતરે છે.
put the bike down. Get off the bike.
नहीं ये सिंगल स्टैंड कर दो.
Get off the bike. Okay.
लेकिन
So you don't run away.
क्या फायर हो सकता है. अरे कुछ नहीं होगा ऐसे. रूल्स से ऐसे उतरो, लेकिन उसको
हेलमेट 2 मिनट.
They want me to take the helmet off for the camera, no? Where's the camera? Hello, camera. Where can I put this? Guys, I've decided to name the bike Lakshmi. Lakshmi in Hindu religion is the goddess of prosperity, fortune, I think even beauty. Look at this thing, it's gorgeous. I love this motorcycle. So the bike is long overdue a name. Yeah, so from now on I'll be referring to this beast, this beauty, this 200cc monster as Lakshmi. Lakshmi, the goddess. She's gonna carry me all the way to Ladakh and back. I might need to do some service, I might need to take care of her a little bit, but Lakshmi and I are gonna go to all the way to the Himalayas and back. Right, off we go. Onwards to Ahmadabad. Alright, let's explore this village.
Take the next left. In 400 meters, turn right.
Flipping these dungs, putting them to dry and then flipping them. Nam? Sara. Sara. Okay, acha. What's the name of this village?
Kheda village.
Kera.
From where? Italy?
Romania.
Romania.
Your name?
Nice country. Salman.
Salman. Nice to meet you. Beautiful village you have here.
Yes.
Very nice.
You are visiting village?
I am riding from Surat to Ahmedabad.
Yes. Ahmedabad is 34 kilometers.
I know. I just thought I would stop and see a local village.
Yeah.
Explore a little bit. Is there a town center? Is there a center of the village?
Center market.
Yeah, market or buildings like center, town, village center.
I am also going market.
Okay, can you show me? Alright. Salman here is gonna show me the village city center. Cows everywhere, buffalo. And of course you have, now I know, the orange is Ram Navami, which is today. The birth of Ram celebration. Temple here. Orange flags everywhere. People are cleaning. So nice. Look at these columns. Wow. Beautiful. I love this architecture. Salman is giving me a proper tour. Here?
From ahead is the market.
Let's check out this market. Could use a snack. Could do with a little snack. Let's see. I'm gonna try some desserts, some Indian sweets, I've decided. I want to try this one. Egg, one. Egg, small piece, this one, small, to try. Please. You sure?
Sure.
Okay, what's your name? Nam? Viraj. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much. It's my first time trying these, so I'm excited to try them. Okay. Dhanibad. Thank you. It's deep fried but spicy. A little bit sweet but really spicy. Very good. Almond dessert. What's the name of this? Nam? Peda. This is called peda. It's sweet and crunchy. Yeah. It definitely has some milk or condensed milk. Milk. It has milk in it. Okay, namaskar bhai sahab. Nice to meet you. Ahmadabad, which way? That way. Yeah. Like that. Okay.
Let's have some sugarcane juice.
Huh?
Sugarcane juice.
I don't like it. It's too sweet.
Oh.
Too much. Okay, thank you, Salman. I go Ahmadabad. Okay. This way. Yeah.
Ram Navami, so it's a kind of big day for Hindus.
Today?
Today is Ram Navami.
Ram Navami, I know. The orange is the god of Ram.
God Ram. Birthday today. So everybody you go Ahmedabad today will
Big celebration.
traffic and a rally kind of rally they do.
Okay, Salman. I'm definitely getting better. I'm not panicking as much. Like, my engine used to die in these kind of situations so much. I've also learned how to use the horn a lot more. I'm a lot more aggressive with the horn. Basically letting people know that I'm about to pass or whatever. So I guess that's why all the other people, keep honking all the time around you. They're just communicating and signaling to each other, hey, I'm coming, or like, hey, stay there. So I'm now definitely part of the problem, part of the honking problem. Now we gotta go left. Okay. This is a roundabout. No, right. Definitely almost had an. Oh, wow, no, poor donkey. Poor donkey. All right. Let's hit the road. Ahmedabad, 34. Lakshmi, let's go. Let's go, Lakshmi. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I found a hostel here in the old city, and I think that was just the gate to the old city. Old city Ahmadabad. Lots of kids' toys. Oh my god, so many kids' toys. Bikes. This is the bike district. If you want a bicycle, come to Ahmadabad. They've got the best bikes. Best bikes. Can I park here? Here? Why do I stay in the cheapest places possible? Like, look at this. What's going on here? This is where I'm staying. Hello, sir. Can I stay here? No English, okay. Can I sleep here?
24 hours.
24 hours. Kitna rupee? Lower bunk is 340, upper bunk 290. Okay, can you show me? This way? Show me. I can go have a look? Yeah. We're staying here. It's quiet. There's literally no one here. Whoa. This reminds me of the sanatoriums in Georgia, Tsaktulbo. Wow. Look at this place. This is so cool. I love it. Yeah. There's another level. This place keeps on giving. Oh my god. I love this building. There we go. Whoa. What? This place, this building is working awesome. I love it. I'm definitely staying here now. Basically, I stayed in that hotel. I spent £40 for 2 nights, which is the upper limit of my budget. And yeah, it's now time to make some of that money back. Yes. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here. That's it for today. That's it for this vlog. See you in the next one. Yes, I'll take it. Okay. Lower bed, lower bunk.